Yo, man, what's up with y'all, man? Y'all know who it is. It's your boy 84 Cuddy. Yes, sir. AKA built on a budget. June. Yes, sir. Hey, man, I hope everybody doing good today. Y'all hear the fan in the background, so I hope y'all can hear me, man. Hope everybody staying hydrated. Hey, boy, we finally getting a little bit of rain. Yes, sir. Hey, I ain't even gonna lie. Guess what? I've been out just shooting this video, and then now the rain here, so man, I said, man, I'm about to reshoot this video, man, because it was hot out here. It was hot out here earlier, boy. I couldn't even really think. So, hey, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, man. Subscribe to the channel, man, and turn on all post notification bells. Yes, sir. Hey, we back out here on this wire harness, man. On our LS Swap wire harness, on our LS Swap 84 Cutlass. Yes, sir. AKA Sparrow. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Make sure you hit that like button, man, and stay locked, man. We about to get into the video. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As y'all see what we got you, there's our LS Swap wiring harness. Our original stock 4.8 LS Swap harness. Alright. As y'all know, previously I went through it, broke it down, and made my own fuse box, because I was actually running the stock fuse box at first. So I wanted to break it down so I could clean up my engine bay, so I could reroute the harness. But then, hold up, y'all. Hold up, 1 second. Yeah, so I made my stock fuse box. It worked, y'all saw that. You know what I mean? I had the car crank, everything, you know, fuel pump, all that, man. Yeah. So, yeah, man. So now what we doing is we removing the stock harness, because I bought a cheap LS swap harness off of eBay. Alright, man, my man messed me up, y'all. He done messed my whole video. I hate when people see you recording or doing something and then gonna try to interrupt you, talk, oh my bad, man. What do you think I'm in here talking to myself, bro? You see my camera. Hold up, man, hold up. Nah, but for real, straight up, man. Cuz walk up and say, oh, excuse me, my bad. I see you busy. Alright, you see me busy, why I had to dang on pause my video? What wrong? Why you out here for one? It's hotter. I mean, I know everybody got a job to do, but man, bump that, bro. And then I must have been too geeky. This joke ain't even here what I've been seeing. I don't know why my camera's zooming in and out. But yeah, man, let's get back to the video, man. Alright, so you know, what we doing is we removing the stock harness, like I said. Alright, so I already disconnected basically everything up here, like my alternator. I done did my mass airflow. Let me show y'all. I done disconnect the ones underneath, like my transmission wire, my O2 sensors. So the only thing I really had left now is, I think, the ground on the back of the block. I'm thinking that's it. And then I'm kind of caught up on something down here, so I gotta go back under the car and see what that's caught up on. But yeah, man, hey, we pulling them off, put the new one on, so we can ride, man. We gotta get back out here in these streets. Talk to me. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, y'all see it. We loose. See? Let me show y'all. I got my, hold on, let me see if I can pull my what a thing called. Which one of them sensor over there by the starter? Is that the cam or the crank? I think it's the crank. But yeah, y'all see it. Y'all see it. That's the starter wire right there. That's the sensor wire. That's this right here, the AC wire. I left it in there because I thought I probably would have used it again. But that right there go to the AC, the LS AC plug. Alright. And then I still got my ground wire down here where it's still connected. Yeah, I think that's all I got left to be able to remove the whole harness off of the car. I think that's all I got left. Let me see. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got left. brown on the back. That's what's stopping me. And then, like I said, I gotta go back underneath the car and then see what I'm hooked up on underneath it. Shit, boy, we almost in the game, huh? And we almost in the game. Y'all see the transmission wires right here? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But yeah, man, let me get back under this car, man. I'm about to see what I'm hooked up on. Take that off. See if we can finish unplug this harness off of this engine. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Boy, we finally getting some rainbow. Finally getting some rain. Man, let's get back to work. Let's see what we hook up on, y'all. I don't know what we hook up on. About to find up, though. About to find that harness. Oh, that's what we is. We on that neutral safety switch. We on that neutral safety switch. Guess what I'm about to do, y'all? I'm about to cut his ass. We ain't need him. Yup. Cut y'all back on. Let's see if we can get him off. See if we can get him off. Oh, shit. I done had cut this off before, y'all, when I first did my LS swap. Cause if you don't know, these if y'all don't know, the plugs is glued into the neutral safety switch. So, man, I had feel like pulling no hair dry out because I don't have a heat gun. So I feel like putting no hair dry out and melt the heat, the glue. So I just had cut it and I put them back together. Saw that back together when I did it. But yeah, we got that cut. Let's go back up top and see if we got everything loose now. Let's see if we can snatch them. But not everything, cause I still got the two on the back of the block that I gotta loose. But as far as that right there, let's see if we got them loose. It's almost time to close the door now. Y'all hear the thunder. Then the rain coming in the garage. Y'all see it. Blowing sideways. Hey, let's finish this right here though. Alright, let's see. Let's see.
It's 84, Cuddy in the photo. Miss my father-in-law so much. I had to name my car Sparrow, cause I know we flying high up in the sky. That's how I feel when I take a ride. Backwood blowing as we ride. To the beats, it's so dark you can't see the seats till let's swap. CUTLASS, I call him Sparrow, that's for sure. I daily drive my car Sparrow on the damn move again. Head down south, yeah, we flying to the low country. That 843, yeah, that's me 84. Yo, CUTLASS fly high, Sparrow, name we trust.
Hey, and that was it. No, I still got that ground wire on the block. But that's practically it. Let me see, I think that's a 13. Let me see if I can find that right quick. Cut y'all back on, alright? Alright, y'all, I think I got everything off. Only way to see is to take them off, innit? Let's see. I got a bunch of stuff tangled up. Let's see. Uh-oh, my bad, y'all. I'm about to knock y'all over. Hold up. Yup. There he is. What do I say? Whoop. Whoop, there it is. Let me see, hold up. Still tangled up on something. Oh, this is my gas, no. That's my stuff for my, tack, look like. I don't know. I'm gonna cut them. Cut them though. Let me see. Yeah, that's the gas pedal. type of stuff right there. That's all that is. Word. I'm gonna cut it. That's what's gonna make mine so easy, especially like for my gauges. Because hold up, that's my fuel pump wire now. Where you at? Because most of it already hooked up, you know what I mean? So it's gonna make it so much easier. Like say like my TCC, all that, my brake, I already got my brakes hooked up to a relay and all that, so yeah. This right here ain't nothing but the connector that I had spliced back into for my gas pedal and my tach and stuff like that to work. So this right here is going through the firewall to my gas pedal into the back of the dash and stuff like that. So I'm gonna keep that. I'm gonna just move it into the inside of the car. Yeah. Hey, but check this out though. There it go. That factory stuff on out here. Yes sir. Y'all see our factory fuse box and our factory drive-by wire harness. LS swap harness, drive-by wire, green and blue. Yes sir. Yes sir. What is the second time I done had this off this car? First time I took it off because I had to go through it using lt1swap.com. I think I said it right. Yeah, so I can depend it. Like take all those stuff that I didn't need, take them out, like the real O2 sensors and that EVAP stuff like that. You know what I mean? All the EGR stuff. Yeah, but yeah, man, that's what we was doing. But this what we did. I ain't gonna say it was doing, we did it. Y'all saw it work. Yeah. Hey. Now on the better things. Yes sir, man. It's time to make it look good, man. I've been riding like this for, like I said, man, over a year. Everything worked. Didn't have a problem out of it. The only reason I'm doing this right here is just to upgrade. It's time to upgrade. I did mine on a swap. I mean, that's on a swap. Of course it was a swap. I did mine on a budget. Budget. Yes sir. Hey, man, I ain't even dang gonna spend over $1,000 for me to swap my car over and ride, man. I done took trips. I done took about, let me see, 2-3 hour trips. And that's only going. I ain't even counting coming back. You know what I mean? And those were 2 separate occasions. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Took a trip home, which that's 3 hours away. Then I took a trip to Myrtle Beach for Run to the Sun. Yeah, man. Y'all know Sparrow been out here in these streets. Time for him to get back out here in these streets. Who with me? Yes, sir. Hey, man, let's get back to it, though. See what else we got to do. Yes, sir. Look at that. Look at all that right there missing now, boy. Hey, boy, we getting some weight. We getting some weight. This ain't nothing but my relays right here, my fan relays, and then my TCC lockup right here. You know what I mean? Still got my bulkhead wires right here. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. This right here, my fuel pump wire. Yeah, man. I gotta figure out what these wires right here go to. Hook to a relay, but whatever. Yeah, y'all see it. Got them clean up under here. All we gotta do is just clean this right here up, paint them. You know what I mean? Like I said, move these wires out the way and stuff right here. Got my ant wire. Yeah, man. Yeah. Get on the finish painting and stuff right there. Finish paint that. Paint my fan, change my radiator hose. Like I said, paint my fender wells. The other side too. Change my my whatchamacallit, shoot, I can't even, my coolant reservoir, the wiper reservoir. I got new bottles a long time ago from Chevy Addict. Shout out Chevy Addict. But yeah, man, yeah, Y'all see it, man. We getting somewhere, man. I had to go ahead and knock that right there out, man. Why it's kind of cool, bro. You know what I mean? Yeah, for real. Man, look at all our old stuff. Hey, y'all don't never forget where you come from. Don't forget where you come from. Yes, sir. Man, never give me no trouble. Never. Yes, sir. For real. But hey, man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one right here. To the next one, man. For real. Man, y'all stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, man. Catch up on the other videos for me, too. Know what I mean? Like I said, man, I appreciate each and every one of y'all support, man. Shout out to the members. Hey, don't hesitate, man. Go ahead and hit that join button, man. You can be a member, too. Yes, sir, man. Everybody stay safe in this heat. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Turn on all post notification bells. Yes, sir, man. Until the next one, we out.
Drive my car SPARROW on the damn move again. Head down south, yeah, we flying to the low country. That 843, yeah, that's me 84.